I make a shopping list. I make a shopping list.
I take my bags.
I take my bags.
I drive to the store. I drive to the store.
I park the car. I park the car.
I enter the store. I enter the store.
I take a cart. I take a cart.
I push the cart. I push the cart.
I take a basket. I take a basket.
I choose some apples. I choose some apples.
I smell the fruit. I smell the fruit.
I weigh the tomatoes. I weigh the tomatoes.
I bag the vegetables. I bag the vegetables.
I pick some bread. I pick some bread.
The bread smells fresh. The bread smells fresh.
I check the date. I check the date.
I need some milk. I need some milk.
I choose some cheese. I choose some cheese.
I look at the meat. I look at the meat.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please? I want this fish. I want this fish.
I open the freezer. I open the freezer.
I take frozen food. I take frozen food.
I want some snacks. I want some snacks.
I choose some juice. I choose some juice.
How much is this? How much is this?
I compare two prices. I compare two prices.
I read the label. I read the label.
Where is the sugar? Where is the sugar?
Excuse me, where is this?
Excuse me, where is this?
It's over there. It's over there.
I check my list. I check my list.
I found everything. I found everything.
This one is on sale. This one is on sale.
This is cheaper. This is cheaper.
I have a coupon. I have a coupon.
I don't need this. I don't need this.
My cart is full. My cart is full.
I wait in line. I wait in line.
I put my items here. I put my items here.
The cashier scans my items. The cashier scans my items.
Do you have a bag? Do you have a bag?
Yes, I have one.
Yes, I have one.
What's the total? What's the total?
That's $20. That's $20.
I pay by card. I pay by card.
I pay with cash. I pay with cash.
Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt.
I pack my bags. I pack my bags.
I leave the store. I leave the store.
I put groceries in the car. I put groceries in the car.